Hello and welcome to a demonstration of how to use the Tool Manager interface in Imageflow. The main functionality available in Tool Manager is access through the toolbar across the top of the screen. So I'll take you through what each button in the toolbar does now. So on the far left, this button opens the profile configuration screen, which allows the user to add and remove image sources, change where recorded videos are stored, modify the digital I/O, change anything to do with the light configuration in ImageflowTM, and change miscellaneous details to do with operation. Then the product manager dialog allows the user to add, delete, or copy new recipes to use in inspections. So you can add a recipe, enter the recipe name, delete a recipe, and load a specific recipe. So we're using a surface inspection. This button saves any changes to the recipe that you've made during this session in Tool Manager. The tool parameter dialog opens the tool parameter screen for the currently selected tool. So if I open the web edge detector here, this will open up the tool parameter dialog for web edge detection. This is the pipeline of tools that are being used in the current recipe. So as you can see here, we have median filter, the web edge detection, and the adaptive surface inspection. The order of that these are displayed in the drop down here is the order in which they're executed in the pipeline. So obviously, most image processing functions should be placed at the start of the pipeline. Then any measurement details should be placed after the median filter, such as web edge detection or adaptive surface inspection. And then any tools to do with the digital I/O should usually be placed at the last in the pipeline, so they can gain information from all the previous tools. To add a tool, you right click on the menu here, and you can add tool, and the tools are split up into image processing, measurement, and I/O. You can remove a tool, edit parameters, which performs the same function as this button here, the tool parameters button, and you can move the front, which moves the tool to the front of the pipeline. The next buttons have to do with the positioning of frames in the current directory. So as you can see here, there's currently 33 frames in this directory, and we are at frame 0. So we can move to the right and move through frames or move back frames. And if we hit this button here, it'll automatically cycle through all the frames in the directory. This button here toggles if you have any filters. If you're using any filters, toggle between the original image and show the image after image processing has been done. Zoom, this button zooms to fit, so if you're zoomed in on an image, if you click this, it'll zoom back out to give you the best possible view of the image. This toggles the overlay graphics, so if there's any overlays such as the web edge detection here, if you turn that off, the overlay will no longer be seen. And this allows you to view all the results of the on the current frame using the current tools. So as you can see with the web edge detection here, it's a pass and has all the details to do with this this frame in the web edge detection, and you can also view the results to do with the other tools used in the inspection. Finally, then in the top left, this gives you can also save the product here, which this button also does. You can enter the product manager as you would here. You can enter the profile configuration screen as you would by pressing this button here. You can switch apps, so you can switch to other apps within the ImagefLow suite, like ImagefLow or VeriFlow, and you can also exit, which closes the application. Thanks for listening to this demonstration.